Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get archive stories back on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, then tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then tap the three lines in the top right, then select archive. Then at the very top, make sure it says Stories Archive, and here you'll see all the past stories saved by Instagram. If nothing appears, tap the three dots in the top right in Settings and make sure Save Story to Archive is turned on. Then tap the story you want to bring back. To repost, tap Share, then your story. Then this will make it an active story again. To save it as highlight, tap Highlights, then choose an existing highlight or create a new one. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.